You won't believe this, but looking hotter has less to do with your face and more with your energy. According to me, most glow-up hacks online are useless. But here's the wild part. Once you cut the noise, just a few habits can literally make you look 10 times hotter. And here's where it gets even crazier. Being attractive isn't only about bone structure, clear skin, or a perfect jawline. It's about the energy you carry. Ever noticed how some people walk into a room and suddenly everyone pays attention, even if they're not the prettiest person there? That's a glow. Effortless attractiveness comes from balance. Your health, your confidence, and your vibe. When you glow up, it's not just your mirror that notices. It's society. People treat you differently. Conversations shift, and even opportunities open up. Why? Because humans are wired to pick up signals of health, vitality, and confidence. So instead of chasing perfection, think of glow-ups as energy upgrades. More sleep, better skin, natural movement, and a cleaner diet. They all feed into the same thing. You radiating a version of yourself that feels magnetic. And trust me, once you feel that shift, you'll never see hotness the same way again. This part shocked me the most. Nothing makes you look instantly hotter than the right kind of glow. I'm not talking about baking under the sun until you're fried. I'm talking about that subtle golden warmth that makes people think you spend your mornings sipping green juice after Pilates. Here's the thing. There's a massive difference between a good tan and a bad tan. A good tan looks like your skin just got a soft, radiant upgrade. A bad one? Well, it makes you look like you tried to swap ethnicities overnight. And that's not the vibe we're going for. Then how can you get the ideal shine? Going the natural way, the sun can indeed be your best friend, but only if you use it sparingly. Start by getting your skin ready. Before sunlight exposure, dry brushing helps get rid of dead skin so your tan seems smooth, not patchy. Next, sunscreen is non-negotiable. I know it seems counterintuitive to apply sunscreen while tanning, but believe me, without it, you are merely trading glow for damage, wrinkles, and excruciating burns. And you don't need to roast yourself for hours. Merely 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight a day is enough to create that golden overtone. What though if the sun is not available? Self-tanners enter as lifesavers at this point. Selecting the right formula for your undertone is the key here. Go for a violet-based tanner if your skin is pale or pink. It cancels redness and imparts a rich olive glow. Choose a green-based one if you have warm or golden undertones. It balances out orange tones and maintains a natural tan. Kindly use a tanning mitt as well. Don't apply with bare hands unless you wish your palms to yell Cheeto fingers. Here's a weird but surprisingly effective hack. Carrots. Yeah, the vegetables. They're packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into a subtle warm glow over time. Carrot juice, smoothies, or just raw sticks. They all work. But be careful, because too much can tip you from golden goddess to fluorescent highlighter. The key takeaway? Tanning isn't about getting darker, it's about looking healthier. Think glow, not burn. Done right, it makes your skin look alive, your features pop, and your whole vibe shift. That's the secret sauce that instantly cranks your attractiveness up several levels. And here's where it gets even more real. Nothing transforms your look faster than dropping the extra weight that's holding you back. Look, it's not like dropping a few pounds magically turns you into a supermodel or something. It's more like suddenly your face says hello, your jawline isn't hiding anymore, and your cheekbones? Yeah, they finally RSVP'd to the party. Clothes start fitting like you paid someone to actually measure your body. Wild. But seriously, let's not get it twisted. Nobody's saying you need to disappear just to look good. This is about actually living. Having energy, feeling strong, maybe even waking up in the morning without cursing your alarm. Like, what's actually attractive? Someone munching on dry lettuce, looking like they might pass out at any second? Or the person who's got that spark, walks like they own the room, and eats real food without apologizing? Yeah, that's what I thought. So how do you get there without overcomplicating things? The truth is, you only need two essentials. First, Move your body. Second, stop eating like you hate yourself. That's it. For movement, you don't need to join a fancy gym or drop a fortune on equipment. Start simple. Get a skipping rope. It's cheap, fun, and burns calories like crazy. Blast your favorite playlist and dance in your room. Go for a walk outside and actually breathe in some fresh air. Or just pull up a 15-minute YouTube workout. The point isn't perfection.
Feel like brushing
It's
your
consistency.
teeth.
Just a part of your day. And then there's food. Here's the mistake most people make. They punish themselves. They cut out everything they love, choke down bland chicken and rice, and wonder why they're miserable. That's not a glow up. That's torture. The secret is finding meals that are both healthy and enjoyable. Because when you like what you eat, you don't feel the need to cheat. And when you stop labeling food as punishment or reward, you finally break free of that cycle. Building this balance isn't about chasing trends or following some influencer's miracle plan. It's about habits you can actually sustain. Move daily. Eat like you respect your body. Do that, and the physical changes come naturally. More energy, better skin, and stronger features. And trust me, people notice the difference. The bottom line? Consistency beats perfection every single time. Even small daily changes compound into a transformation that makes you not just look hotter, but feel hotter too. But wait, this part is where most people completely mess up their glow-up journey. They think eating healthy means choking down plain chicken and rice every single day. Sure, it works for bodybuilders, but for the rest of us, that's a one-way ticket to burnout. Here's the truth. Restriction always backfires. When you force yourself to cut out every food you enjoy, you might feel strong for a week, maybe 2. But sooner or later, the cravings win. And when they do, it's not just one cookie or one slice of pizza. You binge, you spiral, and suddenly all the progress you made vanishes. Sound familiar? Honestly, the whole just eat less thing? Kinda tired. It's not about starving yourself. It's about swapping out junk for stuff your body actually wants. I mean, would you dump swamp sludge into a Ferrari? Didn't think so. Same deal with your body. Treat it like it matters. And yeah, healthy food doesn't have to taste like cardboard. There's a wild amount of tasty stuff out there. I'm talking stir fries bursting with flavor, smoothie bowls that are basically art. And let's be real, totally Instagram-worthy. Greek yogurt with a messy drizzle of honey and a pile of berries, salmon roasted until it's perfect with veggies on the side, wraps jammed full of good-for-you protein, and even pancakes loaded with protein that low-key taste like dessert. Eating well isn't punishment. It's honestly a flex. The more you explore, the more you realize healthy eating isn't about restriction. It's about creativity. And once you find meals you actually enjoy, everything changes. You don't feel deprived. You don't dream about cheat days. You just eat well because it feels good. And here's the kicker. When eating clean stops feeling like punishment, it naturally becomes a habit. You're no longer chasing fad diets or 30-day detoxes. You're simply building a lifestyle that sticks. That's where the real glow happens. Not from forcing, but from fueling. When your body's thriving on foods it loves, your skin clears up, your energy skyrockets, and your overall vibe shifts. And honestly, that kind of natural glow up is hotter than any trend out there. Honestly, when people start yapping about looking hot, the convo usually drifts to fashion, makeup, or maybe how many crunches you can do. But let's be real, none of that matters if your skin's looking rough. If your face is red, flaky, or covered in battle scars from a pimple massacre, no amount of designer clothes is gonna save you. Glowy, healthy skin? That's the real MVP. Now, let's talk about the #1 rule. Stop popping your pimples. I know, it's weirdly satisfying, but you're basically inviting bacteria to throw a rave under your skin. And guess what? They leave behind dark spots and scars as party favors. Dermatologists are always wagging their fingers about this, and for good reason. Instead, get smart about it. Spot treatments with salicylic acid can clear up the mess without splattering your face. If you're into those trendy pimple patches, slap one on. They suck up the gunk and keep your fingers from picking. Into the natural stuff? Tea tree oil's your friend. A gentle way to nuke the bacteria without wrecking your skin. So, yeah, you can fix your skin problems without turning your face into a war zone. Talking of the barrier, a major mistake people make is over-cleansing. Many believe that thoroughly scrubbing till their face feels squeaky clean is a beneficial thing. However, squeaky denotes a stripped. The natural oils in your skin play a vital role in protection. Over-cleansing or cleansing with harsh agents predisposes the skin to spot outbreaks, dehydration, and sensitivity. A gentle, hydrating cleanser used twice daily is sufficient. Your routine also warrants additions for skin comfort. Various daily pollutants, food, and stress can give the skin a fiery, blotchy like appearance. Aloe vera gel and green tea toners help soothe the skin and reduce blotchiness. Even skin tone can be improved, meaning fewer or no cosmetics to mask the blotchiness. Hydration is yet another critical component that is often not given sufficient credit. Well-hydrated skin looks youthful, smooth, and plump. To understand this better, think of the difference between a grape and a raisin. The grape looks vibrant and radiant, while the raisin looks tired and dull. While oils and serums such as rosehip, jojoba, and hyaluronic acid help to retain water, they elevate the skin's appearance to a different level. If you want to get the most out of your regimen, technology has advanced skincare in new directions. Treatments using red light and LED masks are increasingly common because they stimulate collagen, reduce fine lines, and promote healing. While they look modern, they are non-invasive and show substantial progress with consistent use. After all, skin health is less about maintaining a perfect, airbrushed, photo-worthy face and more about protection and consistency. When your skin is clear, well-hydrated, and has that lovely, healthy glow, you look more confident and attractive. Not that you needed a reason. And that confidence? It's the best thing you can accessorize. Your eyes are what others first see when they glance at you, not your jawline or clothing. Strong signals of health, youth, and attractiveness are sent off by brilliant, white, and clear eyes. They show how much care you're providing yourself and how well your body is working. On the other hand, dull red or puffy eyes may quickly give you the appearance of tiredness, stress, or even age beyond what you are. Most people fail to understand that several everyday routines gradually steal the eyes of their inherent radiance. Scented candles, strong scents, dust in the air, and endless hours gazing at displays all aggravate your eyes and give them a dull look. Protecting them entails cutting these triggers as much as is practical. For screen-heavy lifestyles, a good set of blue light glasses paired with periodic screen breaks following the 20/20 rule. Every 20 minutes, glance at anything 20 feet away for 20 seconds. But nothing can replace the power of sleep. A solid 7 to 9 hours a night resets not just your body, but also your eyes. You'll wake up with less redness, fewer dark circles, and a natural sparkle that no makeup can fake. For quick fixes, there are easy at-home tricks. Eye drops can help, but should be used sparingly to avoid dependency. Cold coffee pads or even chilled spoons placed under the eyes reduce puffiness almost instantly. And never underestimate hydration. When your body has enough water, it shows in your eyes first. If you really want your attractiveness to level up, take care of your eyes daily. They're the real glow indicators, quietly revealing how healthy, rested, and vibrant you are. Scroll through social media and you'll notice one feature that dominates attractive edits and filters: the jawline. A sharp, defined jaw has become the ultimate symbol of beauty and confidence. It frames the face, adds symmetry, and instantly makes your look appear more striking. The positive side is this: to improve it, you don't need surgery. Methods naturally help a great deal. Though makeup contouring can make the appearance of a sharper line in seconds, true definition comes from little, regular practices. Over time, simple facial exercises like squeezing and holding your jaw muscles or doing mewing, correct tongue posture, help to strengthen and shape your face. Weight loss is also very important, as too much fat softens facial structure. The jawline pops more even with a small decrease in body fat. Along with that, skincare instruments like gua sha stones and lymphatic drainage massages are not only fads. They also help to lessen puffiness and increase blood flow. therefore sculpting your face and lifting it. A strong jawline adds proportion and balance to your whole face, so it is not just about appearance. And when it is defined, everything else, your eyes, hair, and smile, stands out more. Consider your hair to be your face's picture frame. Dull, unhealthy hair may detract from your general attractiveness, regardless of your skin's radiance or the sharpness of your jaw. Shiny, thick, and healthy hair, on the other hand, immediately enhances your appearance. The secret starts with the scalp. A healthy scalp equals stronger, smoother strands. Therefore, treat it like you would your skin, with moisturization, exfoliation, and nourishment. Regular oil massages, a proper diet, and remaining stress-free all help your hair's texture and luster to manifest themselves. Your glow-up includes hair, which goes beyond just styling. Selecting the appropriate color or cut can bring out your inherent characteristics. Regular care guarantees transforming your appearance? Stop here. There's a universe of hair care glow-up advice ready for you. Looking hotter isn't about products or shortcuts. It's about daily habits, energy, and the glow you build from within. Start with just one tip from today and see the difference. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more glow-up secrets coming your way.